Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess Lifestyle. So today's video is one that you guys have been waiting for a while, but now I am finally here with my game-changing foundation reveal. So I have been telling you guys, at least on Snapchat and Instagram and here too, about this foundation that I finally tried. I have been telling you guys that it is pretty much I won't say the best because I have not compared it to my faves yet, but it is definitely one of my new favorite foundations. It's definitely become one of my favorite foundations in the short span of about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So that says a lot about the foundation. So the foundation that I have been talking about is the Tom Ford Traceless Stick Foundation. I first heard about this foundation, I believe sometime last year, but I wanted to get it because I heard that it was a really good foundation. So I went onto either Sephora's website or Nordstrom's website. I can't remember which one. I went onto the website and I looked, and the shade range, from what I remember, was non-existent. So I really wanted to try the foundation, and I saw that my shade was there. It was pretty much the only dark shade available, so I didn't really see a point of trying the foundation if it's not something that I can bring back to you guys. So the shade range is still not what I would hope that a makeup line shade range is, but they do have more than one dark shade. I went into Nordstrom in the store. I did a swatch test on my chest. It looked like I was kind of in between the last two shades, but I decided to get the darkest shade, which is Massacre. It scrolls up pretty far enough. 0.5 ounces of foundation. Without further ado, I'm going to demo this foundation for you all so you can see exactly how I feel about it. So as you can see, this foundation is very, very, very chocolatey. I told you guys I got the darkest shade, and that was 12.0 Massacre. I got this shade as opposed to the shade above it because the shade above it, when I blended it out, it was lighter than my chest, and it also had like a pinkish sort of undertone that did not make sense with my skin tone. So I opted for this one, and it definitely fits my face, but it's a tinge too dark for my chest. So I only put this on my face and then use a different foundation for my neck area to blend all of it together. So this foundation glides onto my skin very, very, very smoothly, but when it's gliding, you almost feel a bit of a tug and pull. And that indicates to me that it is very full coverage and that it's a non-greasy type formula. I moisturized my skin very, very well before starting this video. And I also am not using a primer with this foundation, so you guys can get the full impact of how good it actually is. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did a pink smoky eye. I haven't done one of those either in a while or ever. I can't really remember, but I'm really feeling this look. It's very glowy, very summery, warm. I'm trying to give you guys vacation vibes, okay? So I did use the foundation that has changed my life. It has changed my makeup game. You guys, this Tom Ford foundation, this Tom Ford Traceless Stick Foundation this is the best stick foundation I've ever used. That's period, point blank, okay? It is definitely in my top 3. My top 3 foundations are Armani Luminous Silk, NARS All Day Luminous Weightless, Cover FX Total Coverage, and then this is my number 4, Tom Ford Traceless Stick Foundation. You guys saw everything that I did to achieve this look. If you would like to see the eye look, make sure you like this video and comment below. If you tried this foundation, let me know what your thoughts are on it. The price point I saved to the end it's $90. But before you guys get angry with me, before you guys yell at me, it's worth it. I know I keep making you guys spend your life savings on makeup, but that's my job. I'm here so I don't get fired. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for still being here and subscribing and being my people. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.